Look how cute those boars look when they close their eyes while drinking. I love it. Hunting wild boars is very popular in Poland. This leads to a process known as negative selection, where larger individuals are killed by hunters. As a result, not all large males have a chance to pass on their genes. Smaller individuals are less valuable to hunters, which means they have a greater chance of survival and passing on their genes. Unfortunately, wild boars in the forests are getting smaller every year. Poor wild boars